The Audi E-Tron GT is now being manufactured alongside the R8 at Audi's Böllinger Höfe site. Audi has integrated its excellent craftsmanship with its signature passion and precision into a highly automated smart factory, the best of both worlds. Designing the body manufacturing process was no mean feat for the planning engineers. Space is tight, and the Audi E-Tron GT has a composite construction of aluminium and steel. And the result? Solutions that are unique to Audi and the Volkswagen Group. The dual-passage framer is a prime example. The body goes through the same station twice, and the interior and exterior of the Audi E-Tron GT are assembled in a fully automatic process. One framer with 10 robots combines all manufacturing steps into one, where normally 2 systems are required. The next stage sees experienced welders achieve a perfect seam by hand. Inline correlation-free measuring, an all-time first, guarantees even greater precision. Measurements are taken from 350 different points on the E-Tron GT body, yet another innovation that is unique across the group. This ensures the highest quality standards for the new fully electric sports car. Before the bodies enter the paint shop at the end of the line, Audi's experts check the surfaces and gap sizes on every body. Not even the smallest detail gets past their keen eyes and skilled precision. This is what the unique combination of craftsmanship and a smart factory looks like. Once the bodies have been painted, driverless vehicles transport them from the basement back upstairs to the production line. There's no denying it was a challenge. Audi have succeeded in bringing 2 models into one assembly line. 2 models that couldn't be more different. Assembly of the nippy and agile fully electric Audi E-Tron GT series has been integrated into the assembly line of the Audi R8 10-cylinder supercar. The Audi E-Tron GT was brought into series production quicker than any other Audi before, and without the use of the physical prototypes that are normally required. All this was possible because Audi's team could first try out all the assembly processes virtually in the 3 Ps workshop: production, preparation, and process. They were able to test different work operations with VR glasses and controllers using software developed in-house by Audi. Thanks to new digital tools and the expertise of a highly motivated team, the production cycles for the 2 cars are in perfect harmony, just like a great orchestra. To make this happen, the assembly line was expanded from 16 to 36 cycles. This Audi E-Tron GT is having its roof fitted. Customers can also choose to have a super light carbon roof, an eye-catching feature that doesn't just look good, its patented acoustic fleece also helps reduce noise. The high point of any vehicle assembly is what's known as the marriage. This is where the powertrain, featuring battery, motor and chassis, is united with the body of the Audi E-Tron GT. It requires extraordinary skill and flexibility on the part of the Audi craftsmen and women. They give their absolute all every day to achieve outstanding quality in both high-performance models that pass through this assembly line before entering the finishing stage. This is where the Audi E-Tron GT is brought to life. The motors run for the very first time on the chassis dynamometer. The Audi experts check the chassis, headlights and brake system. Audi's well-known driver assistance systems are fitted to support the future driver. These include active lane assist, side assist, presets, hold assist, reversing camera, and many more. The electrification and the overall vehicle network mean the Finnish team have their work cut out. This is where the components, 100 more than for the R8, are calibrated, set and tested. Every Audi E-Tron GT has to undergo an 8-minute endurance test to see if it's watertight enough to withstand a downpour. The water is then reused with a closed system. And what's more, the Böllinger Höfe site is powered entirely by renewable energy from the start of production. The final manufacturing process requires tactile intuition and good visual judgment. The smallest irregularity can be detected in the light tunnel. But Audi's craftsmen and women have developed a sharp eye and a meticulous attention to detail after their many years of experience. So every customer can expect to buy a perfect, superb quality Audi.